So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGD Tech. Well guys, today I am having with me a big leak regarding the upcoming iPhone 12. Well guys, in today's video you will get a clear idea regarding the upcoming 5.4-inch budget-end iPhone. So guys, before starting today's video, there is a sincere request that everybody watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, all of the information that I am going to be providing now is provided by Forbes. Well guys, today we have got the confirmed leak regarding the display panel for the upcoming 5.4-inch iPhone. Well guys, somehow or the other, we are having with us a clear image regarding the display panel for this particular iPhone. And guys, no doubt, this display is original. Well guys, first of all, Apple makes their displays in such a manner that no other company can copy. Well guys, Apple wraps around the OLED display beneath the display panel so that they can create a complete edge-to-edge bezel. And guys, because of this particular factor, Apple displays are way more expensive. And guys, in this particular picture, we are getting a clear idea that this display is original. And guys, if you are talking about the notch, it is pretty much visible. Well guys, as you can see that the notch found in this iPhone is similar to any of the current iPhones. And guys, that is the biggest concern that we are getting right now. Well guys, according to this particular information, it is looking like the iPhone 12 5.4-inch and the iPhone 12 Max 6.1-inch will have the bigger notches, and guys, the Pro models will have the smaller notches. Well guys, nothing is confirmed yet. Even all of the 4 iPhones might be having the similar notches, but guys, looking at this particular prototype or this particular display panel, it is pretty much confirmed that the notches will remain as big as they are right now. And guys, honestly speaking, when I first bought my iPhone XS, I was also thinking that the notch is very much annoying, but later on when you start using the Face ID, then you get to know that there is so much high technology involved in the facial recognition. And guys, whenever you are watching any YouTube videos, the notch might be a little bit annoying, but overall you kind of easily get used to it. Well guys, this particular information is not yet confirmed, but it is very sad to see that the upcoming iPhones will have no physical change in the exterior display. Well guys, we all were expecting to see a smaller notch and a Face ID that works from many orientations. Well guys, it is kind of confirmed that Face ID is going to be getting way more improved. So now it can recognize your face from different type of angles. So guys, I still believe that Apple should shrink the size of the notch, because of which it will look way more modern. Well guys, we all are familiar that Apple is having a 3 years iPhone cycle. So after every 3 years, Apple changes the design of their iPhones. Well guys, from 2017, Apple is having this huge notch, and still guys, in 2020 even, this kind of notch is acceptable, but still Apple can easily improve a lot on the next iPhone. So guys, overall, this is just a news and nothing is confirmed yet, but let us hope that all of the 4 iPhones will feature a smaller notch. So guys, now let me come towards the second interesting news, and this news is regarding magnets. Well guys, in all of the 4 upcoming iPhones, there is going to be a circular magnetic ring around the wireless charger, and guys, the only reason here is to make a proper alignment between the wireless charger and your iPhone. Well guys, we all know that from the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 10 onwards, all of the iPhones are supporting wireless charging. And guys, in 2017 also, Apple unveiled the Air Power Mat, but because of some thermal throttling issues, Apple was unable to fulfill the demand. And guys, because of which they have taken a lot of time of 3 years to perfect behind the Air Power Mat. And guys, possibly with the upcoming new iPhones, we will see a re-unveil of the original additional air power mat. And guys, the purpose of this magnetic ring is to put your iPhone in a proper alignment. Well guys, if you have ever used a wireless charger, then you know that you have to align your phone and the wireless charging pad in such a manner that the connection is seamless. And guys, sometimes it even takes 2 to 3 seconds, or even it is an annoying factor in the entire wireless charging experience. And guys, Everything Apple Pro has shared some images regarding this magnetic ring. And guys, overall, Apple is going to be placing this magnetic ring inside the iPhone 12 and also inside Apple's own battery case and inside Apple's air power mat. Well guys, in simple words, this year Apple is going to be focusing a lot behind the wireless charging functions, because next year possibly Apple is going to be launching iPhones with literally no ports. And guys, the next news is regarding a change in the naming scheme of the upcoming iPhone. Well guys, we all know that the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 will be called as the standard iPhone 12 and the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 will be called as the iPhone 12 Max. But guys, according to the recent reports, it is looking like the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 will be called as the iPhone 12 Plus. And guys, totally it makes perfect sense. Well guys, the iPhone 12 is going to be the entry-level iPhone. The iPhone 12 Plus is just going to be a bigger version of that iPhone. So there is no sense at all to name this iPhone as the iPhone 12 Max. Well guys, time will tell us, but as if for now, this iPhone is possibly called as the iPhone 12 Plus. Guys, according to the current information provided by Apple Insider, according to them, Apple will launch both of the 6.1-inch iPhones at the first place itself. So the iPhone 12 Max, which is going to be of 6.1 inches, and the iPhone 12 Pro, which is again going to be of 6.1 inches, will be launched together. And guys, the 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and the 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max will be launched at the same time. Well guys, in simple words, Apple will unveil, or Apple will introduce all of the 4 iPhones in the middle of October, and slowly and gradually with both of these batches they will roll out these iPhones in the public. So guys, I hope that you have liked this small little video, and guys, if you want to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem and regarding smartphones, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.